Okay, today we're going to introduce a new topic which is called integers. Integers is a set of numbers that includes our whole numbers. What are whole numbers? What's a set of whole numbers? One, two, three, four, that's forever, but it also includes 0, right? Well, integers include the set of whole numbers plus their opposites. What's the opposite of 3? Negative 3. Don't say minus, say negative. Negative 3. Minus is an operation, but negative 3 would be the opposite of positive 3. Okay? What's the opposite of negative 42? Positive 42. So when we're talking about an integer, we're talking about the set of whole numbers, that's 0 through infinity, and the opposites. Okay? So remember, a whole number is either a value greater than 0, or it's going to be less than 0 if it's an integer. You can visualize it on a number line. So the 0 is always called the origin, just like when we were doing the coordinate system and the x-axis. It's very much the same when we did the x and the y. But we're going to go from left to right, so we're going to be like on the x-axis. So the origin is at 0. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all the positive whole numbers. Then the opposites of those are the negative numbers. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Now, can you answer this question for me? Is negative 5 bigger than negative 1? It is? Isn't it worse to be minus 5 in the bank than minus 1? So negative 5 is really more of a negative. Okay? The closer you are to 0, the bigger the number when you're on the left side. Okay? And the same thing is true on the right side. The closer to 0, the smaller. Okay? So the closer to 0 here, the